Now let's take a look to the function check specified bit status. The command is BON. So what this function does is that you specified a device or a register, and then this function is going to check. You can specify to check the status of any of the bits on this device. For instance, in this case, we want to check what's the status of the bit number 15. So starting from right to left, to the less significant to the most significant value, we're going to check the status of the bit 15, which is this one. So if this is positive or is negative, it's going to get stored on M0. So the operand is the source device, which is this number. The device for storing the check result, which is it's a contactor. So it could be either a contactor and a physical output or a step, and then the bit that you want to check. So either the 15, or if you want to check the bit number 8, or the bit number 2. Okay, so let's build this example in ISPsoft. So let me run ISPsoft. Let me go online. I'm going to remove this one, and I'm going to load M0. So a contactor M0. So then we're going to execute the function, which is BON. And we're going to check the status on D0, and we're going to store the result in I'm using M0. I'm going to use M10 and I'm going to check what's the status of bit number 4, and I'm going to hit OK. Feed number. Actually, I'm going to change, instead of being a constant, I'm going to change it to another register. Let's say D100, just so that we can change the value as we wish. And let me download it. Okay, go online. Very good. I'm going to set the M0 active and D0. So let me change the value. I'm going to go to binary, and D0 I'm going to make it this way, just a random number. Hit OK. So this is our number. I'm going to, right now I'm checking the status of bit number 0, which is right now it's equal to 0. Therefore, M10 is equal to 0. So now let's check sorry. Oh no, sorry, my mistake. We're checking the bit number 0 on this number, which right now it's 0. Therefore, M10 is equals to 0. So now let's check the value. This value, let's check for what's on bit number 3. No, sorry, number 2. Number 2. Number 2. And let me check. 18756. Okay. So on bit number 2, it's equal to 1. Therefore, M10 it's active. So now let's go. 4 will be 0, and 6 will be 1. So let's test those out. Let's change it to 4, which is going to be 0, and 6 is going to be active. There you go. Perfect. And that's how the check specified bit status function works.